Today I want to talk to you about Epoch. It was founded in 1983 by Mr. Ford Galili and his wife LaDon. They have offices in the US and China. Throughout this presentation, you'll hear me use terms such as MPI, New Product Introduction, DFM, Design for Manufacturing, ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning, and MSD, Multi-Spark Discharge. An overview of the company. This is a company that specializes into turning their clients' idea into reality. They offer a wide range of services from concept to delivery, both in the US and China. They are on the forefront of Industry 4.0 with identical manufacturing processes in China and in the US. They provide a seamless transition from one location to another. In short, they bring their client's idea into life with the highest quality standard and full support throughout the process. For those of you who are unaware, Industry 4.0 is the fourth industrial revolution, refers to the integration of advanced digital technologies and automation into industrial manufacturing processes. This includes the use of technologies such as Internet of Things, artificial intelligence, robotics, cloud computing, and big data analytic to create a highly connected and efficient manufacturing system. How do they do it? With their experienced engineers, they take your idea, convert it into a pilot conceptual design. Once finalized, they form an NPI team with engineering, quality, and manufacturing members. They then develop the product software capabilities in house. Once the concept is realized, they approve the design for DFM in mass production. The product components are received, inspected, and logged into an ERP system, then moves to an MSD controlled smart cabinet. The fully integrated ERP smart cabinet and feeders ensures rapid production, product identification, guaranteeing that quality is deep rooted throughout the process and the data is fed to the Kanban in real time. Each product goes through four inspection phases: inline, SPI, AOI, X-ray, and flying probe tests, all within a single feedback loop. The product then shifts to final assembly where it undergoes 100% functional tests. Other services that they offer, such as design and development, manufacturing and testing, supply chain management, and quality. Epoch's value is bringing as many voices as possible to the table. Their mission is to strive to attain a standard of excellence. During an interview with Barry Mathis of iConnect 007 in online magazine, Mr. Galili stated that in the past 25 years, they had never laid off employees due to lack of business. They refuse to lay off employees while the company continues to digitize, and they believe they can increase the value created by the existing workforce. The company provides employees with continuous training and enables them to perform high-end technical production work. Mr. Galili claims that the biggest challenge is getting their clients and others to buy into that idea. Many people only focuses on hardware, machining, and immediate benefit, or just to make more money, and not on the people that work for them. In these pictures, they have an open space concept. It's a large but flexible production environment. They have an office factory transparency to create an interconnected environment. They also have leisure spaces such as tea room, gardens, gym, clinics, learning centers with libraries for both children and adults that is open to not only the employees but also their families. They believe that these environments create a surge of creativity and productivity amongst their employees. Project management history: in 2014, they started the lean manufacturing by hiring a lean engineer. In 2017, they joined the Lean Network Group and Dalian Development Zone, which was initiated by a few companies. The representative from each companies would share the Lean project and its impact in front of their group members. The purpose was to learn Lean manufacturing and case experiences from different companies so that they could grow. The program came to an end in 2020 due to COVID-19. At the end of 2023, they plan on changing the way they perform lean manufacturing. Before lean activities were initiated by the lean engineer. Currently, lean is initiated by operators and production people with full support of the lean engineer to complete their projects. A success with that is that even the bottom employees are aware and can implement lean. In a challenge, sometimes in order to perform lean, they often stop production due to some data collection and analysis. So at the end of the day, the daily output will be lower than planned. So for example, if they plan to output 200, they will actually output 180 because they actually had to stop for 2 hours to perform lean. Methodology. They use an agile approach with daily stand up for 10 minutes. Step one, they collect ideas. Step two, they prioritize suggestions. Three, lean project selection. Four, assign a lean group. Make a timeline, actions, and then they discuss the presentations and the consequences ahead. Assessment of techniques. Epoch uses Kanban to manage production. SMT Kanban in the beginning of the process. It shows instant production status and quality data. Assembly Kanban. At the end of the line, it shows the product's priority of shipping and production status. Strength is visual management. Weakness: sometimes the data they collect is incorrect. The scanner cannot read all the barcodes successfully. So maybe sometimes it misses two or three, even more. And at the end of the production, Kanban will show that they produce 195 products, but the actual production quantity is 220. Why is Dalian important? If you bring your attention to the left corner of the screen, you can see how Dalian has evolved since China has opened its borders to foreign investments. It has the leading industries. It has 34 of the 41 industrial categories established by China's national statistic. There are more than 100 Fortune 500 companies, such as IBM, HP, Ericsson, Dell, all worth up to 290 million USD. It's one of the major economic center of Northeast China and has become a hub for international trade and investment. There are several factors that make Dalian attractive for multinational companies, such as it has a strategic location on the Bohai Sea, giving it easy access to major shipping route and making it a gateway to Northeast Asia and the rest of China. It has favorable government policies to attract foreign investment, including tax incentives, streamline administrative procedures, and it's an established free trade zone. Dalian produces skilled workers with a large number of universities and research institutions that produce a steady stream of highly educated graduates. This is what Dalian looks like nowadays, and it continues to grow with more companies investing in Dalian. My recommendation for this company is to involve more people to join the lean movement and have a continuous improvement department. Thank you so much. This concludes my case study on Epoch, and thank you for your time.